You thought I did. I took a risk. Yo, let's get into it. Okay, let's go. Yeah, I'm tweaking. I didn't take any trades today, but I'm still gonna go over today and setups that did work out or whatever. Okay, let's get into it. Let's go ahead and do this first to make it easier for me. Boom. I was broke. What you thought I did? I took a risk. Yay. Alright, let's go on 4 hour. Alright, so looking into today, honestly, I wanted us to tap into this equilibrium of this range into this 4 hour, maybe making this a breakaway gap. As you can see, I wrote it down too. That's that, and then boom. So I mean, I only had two fucking things here for I either want to go short or long. Obviously, by like conditions, right? So for longs, if I wanted longs, I want to see some type of like IVG through here, or some type of structure getting built, which there was some structure getting built, but I didn't like it. And then, aim for this or some shit at the moment. Or we come out of this 4 hour out of equilibrium, and then we aim for, go down to lower time frames. We aim for this area right here of low resistance and like very low time frame equal lows. It has unmade 15-minute fair value gap right here. So yeah, I didn't want to go anywhere like around here because there's S&T there, so I didn't really want to aim for any type of session liquidity. And the only thing I could have got shorts for were these boys right here. But yeah, boom, market opens. Let me go ahead and go 1 minute. Market opens, and we go down for a bit. I want to see a 15-minute IFUG before I did take any shorts to the these equal lows or whatever down here, which we did kind of get. Oh my gosh, it's fucking up again. Someone call the fucking ambulance. I hate when it does this, bro. There were some people who took this 3-minute short. I know PB trading took this, which I would have got a fucking loss if I took it. And I don't see. Let me see. Besides this 5-minute, yes, I don't think that's bad. I was looking at that, I marked it up, and I was like, bro, I would have took a loss if I took this, bro. I was like, I'm so confident we're like gonna go down. Plus, we did have a unmitigated 1 hour under us. I just didn't like. I marked it up, but I just didn't like it. And if I did take it, I would have took a loss. So yeah, boom, boom, boom. We finally got that 15-minute IFPG, and from there, I mean, I was just looking at. Yes, we just did tap into this 1 hour, but I don't really care as much. Plus, ES inversed its 1 hour, so I was like, shit, I'm still bearish. You know what I'm saying? We did, like, quote unquote respect the fucking 15-minute. Like, we didn't get inversed on 1 hour, but like we were still in a 15-minute and stuff. But if we got good enough, reaction out of this stuff, out of the 5-minute that we made, I would just short it anyways. But we fucking inversed it. Let me go here. I can barely see it probably. But it's like a tiny ass little 5-minute right here that I wanted to, continuation off of. I was gonna take the 1 minute right here. We gave this 1 minute right here, but we made it 5-minute unmitigated fair value gap above us, so I didn't like that. So I was like, I'm gonna wait for the 5-minute fair value gap to get tapped into. Boom, got tapped into, and fucking chop work, bro. I was gonna be willing to take this 30-second, but it just wasn't enough confirmation. We never inversed it anyways. So that's that. I was just gonna take it off its OTE area. I was like, damn, a 5-minute unmitigated fair value gap inside of equilibrium seemed pretty high probable to me. And then we tapped in OT as well. But then at that time, we already inversed 5 minutes, so I was like, fuck. But I still want to take a trade, to be honest. There was like these boys up here, but that low resistance kind of like, I don't know. I don't have much significance to it because SMT also, I'm going to mention this is a really big part. We had an SMT over here. ES didn't tap into his 4-hour right there, but NQ did. So it made me even more, you know. Wait, am I tripping? Yeah, there's SMT right there. This looks so confusing, holy shit. But that's what made me very confident. I wouldn't aim for fucking long. We just had SMT at a high time frame, heat level, 4-hour unlimited gap that I tapped into, and then also hit equilibrium after this big ass dump. So I didn't really want longs, but looks like longs did happen. Let me leave this bitch real quick. But yeah, yeah, longs did happen, but I don't know. I didn't like longs. What else? I feel like I'm missing things. And probably lastly, just this guy over here, bro. Like, we're in OTE. I just love this area for some reason. But yeah, I'm fucking off.